The Senate is about to vote on whether or not to confirm Todd Blanche as the permanent Attorney General of the United States. They won't be voting on it today, but it will be coming down the pipeline. And before they make that vote, Michigan deserves to know exactly who Todd Blanche is. This week, I sent a letter to Governor Whitmer calling on her to request a federal investigation into Women's Huron Valley Correctional Facility. 3 women are dead in less than a month, and the Civil Rights of Institutionalized Person Acts exists to address exactly this type of situation. But the law only works if the Attorney General is willing to use it. The acting Attorney General in the United States is Todd Blanche, and he's about to become the permanent Attorney General. Here is why that matters. Career prosecutors at the Department of Justice were removed or replaced for refusing to bring charges against James Comey and Letitia James. Those prosecutors followed the evidence, and Blanche decided to replace them with people who would follow orders instead. Blanche re-indicted James Comey over a photograph of seashells he posted on social media that said 8647. That is not law enforcement. That is the government prosecuting someone for what they chose to post publicly. That is a First Amendment violation dressed up as a federal charge. Blanche's DOJ proposed a $1.776 billion anti-weaponization fund that would have made people who assaulted Capitol Police officers on January 6th eligible for payouts. When senators pushed back, Blanche verbally said he would reverse it, but he did refuse to put that reversal in writing. His DOJ filed a motion to erase Stewart Rhodes' seditious conspiracy conviction, seeking to permanently dismiss the indictment of the man a sentencing judge called an ongoing threat to the country and its democracy. At CPAC, Blanche said the administration fears prosecution if Democrats win in 2028. He described the Department of Justice as a political survival operation. In his own words. When asked about DOJ independence, Todd Blanche called it the most false statement I have ever heard. The Senate's confirmation authority exists for exactly this situation. A man who does not deserve to be the Attorney General for the United States of America, a man who will file charges that clearly violate our Constitution. This must be stopped. I'm calling on every senator to vote no on the nomination of Todd Blanche as the permanent Attorney General of the United States. And this is just the first post in a series. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to show you exactly why Todd Blanche is wrong for our country and why the Senate must reject this nomination. Stay tuned. I'm Lydia Christensen. I'm running for the United States Senate in Michigan as an independent under the brand Unchaining Michigan. If you would like to learn more about my campaign, who we are, and what we're fighting for, go to lydiaforsenate.com and become a constitutional captain. Help us collect signatures to get on the ballot.